Hello everyone, welcome back to the beloved and happy channel. Do you want to look better than other women? Men notice this. Want to know the secret to looking more attractive and standing out from other women? It's not just about confidence or charm, there's a psychology behind what men are instinctively drawn to. And today we are going to reveal exactly what that is. We all know that first impressions matter, but did you know that certain subtle details can make you irresistible to the opposite sex, whether it's the way you carry yourself, the clothes you wear, or even the scent you wear? Men pick up on these visual cues all the time, often without even realizing it. In this video, we dive deep into the psychology of attraction and break down the things men notice instantly when they see you. It's not about trying too hard or following every trend. It's about knowing what works and highlighting your unique beauty with just a few simple yet powerful tweaks. From a posture that exudes confidence to a smile that lights up your face, we'll uncover the little things that make a big impact. Imagine walking into a room and having all eyes on you, not because you're trying to attract attention, but because you naturally exude the kind of beauty that attracts men. Curious? Stay tuned because you won't want to miss these tips that will help you look better than other women and make a lasting impression wherever you go. Let's get started. 1. Effortless posture that exudes elegance. One of the first things men notice about a woman is her posture. It's not just about standing up straight, but how you carry yourself in any given moment. A graceful, effortless posture sends a powerful signal about your confidence and poise. Imagine walking into a room and immediately exuding confidence without saying a word, standing tall with your back naturally aligned, shoulders relaxed and head held high, communicates calm, control and elegance. This subtle yet powerful body language indicates that you're someone who takes pride in yourself and your well-being. It's not about being rigid or stiff, it's about moving with fluidity and ease. As if you're at peace with yourself, men are instinctively drawn to women who have an effortless posture because it conveys health, vitality and energy, qualities often associated with attractiveness. When you stand tall, you not only look more confident, but you also project a sense of vitality and strength. Your posture is the first impression you make before you even say a word, so make sure it's one that leaves a lasting impression. 2. A unique, captivating scent. Scent is one of the most overlooked yet powerful tools of attraction, and it's something men notice on a subconscious level. The right scent can linger in a man's mind long after you've left the room. It's not about wearing something overpowering, it's about finding a scent that feels personal and memorable. A signature scent that complements your natural chemistry can be a subtle yet powerful way to get a man's attention. It's the scent that's uniquely you, something warm, fresh, or even slightly mysterious that makes you an unforgettable scent. Scent is closely tied to memory and emotion, which is why it plays such an important role in attraction. When a man associates a particular scent with you, it becomes part of his memory of you, an invisible yet intimate connection. So choose a fragrance that resonates with your personality, whether it's something floral, woody or fresh. Your scent becomes an invisible signature that sticks with him and sets you apart. A signature scent doesn't scream for attention, but it creates a lasting impression that men will subconsciously connect with you every time they catch a whiff of it. 3. Understated fashion that accentuates your best features. Looking more attractive than other women doesn't always mean following the latest trends or wearing flashy outfits. It's about knowing how to dress in a way that flatters your unique body and accentuates your natural features. Men notice women who dress with intention, blending simplicity with sophistication. Understated fashion is powerful because it speaks volumes without being overly bold or loud. Think of a well-fitted dress and a neutral color palette, something that fits your body shape perfectly and accentuates your best features like your waist or legs. When you wear clothes that fit well, that balance between simplicity and elegance, you create an aura of self-assurance and refinement. It's not about covering up or hiding anything, it's about celebrating your body in a way that feels natural and effortless. This type of fashion draws men in because it makes them curious and leaves room for intrigue. It doesn't scream for attention. But it definitely captures it in a subtle, powerful way. Men are drawn to women who dress in a way that enhances their natural beauty while maintaining a sense of mystery. It's the kind of style that speaks to your confidence and individuality. 4. Radiant, healthy skin. When it comes to beauty, one of the first things men notice about a woman is her skin. Smooth, glowing skin is often associated with health, vitality, and youth. Men are instinctively drawn to skin that radiates life because it signals that you take good care of yourself and your well-being. Healthy skin doesn't have to be flawless, but it should have a natural, fresh glow that reflects good self-care. Clear skin is often seen as an indicator of overall health, hydration, nutrition, and a balanced lifestyle. Men are particularly attracted to skin that appears well hydrated because it exudes vitality and energy through small daily habits such as drinking plenty of water, using sunscreen, and exfoliating regularly. You can enhance your skin's natural radiance and keep it looking healthy. A glowing complexion not only makes you look younger, it also communicates to others that you take care of yourself and make an effort to take care of your body. Clear, glowing skin is universally attractive and can make you stand out in a crowd without even trying. 5. Hairstyles that accentuate your features. Your hair is one of your most prominent features, and men immediately notice how it's styled. A well-maintained hairstyle can change your entire look, adding instant polish and enhancing your overall appearance. Whether you have long, flowing locks or a sleek bob, your hairstyle should flatter your face shape and bring out your natural beauty. Men are attracted to women whose hairstyles enhance their features, whether it's by framing your face or highlighting your eyes. A great hairstyle doesn't have to be complicated, it's about choosing something that complements your personality and accentuates your best features. Whether it's sleek and straight, soft waves, or an effortlessly messy bun, your hair can say a lot about how much attention you pay to the details. Subtle changes like adding shine or keeping the ends clean and healthy can dramatically enhance your look. Well-groomed hair signals effort, attention to detail, and self-respect, qualities that men subconsciously find attractive. A beautiful hairstyle can become your signature, effortlessly completing your look and adding an extra level of sophistication to your overall appearance. 6. Well-fitting clothes that flatter your body. There's something incredibly attractive about a woman who knows how to dress for her shape. When clothes fit properly and accentuate your natural curves, you instantly look more confident and put together. Men notice when a woman wears clothes that are tailored to her body, rather than something that is too tight or too loose. Well-fitting clothes help accentuate your best features and complement your proportions. Whether it's a dress that hugs your curves just right or pants that fit perfectly at the waist, the right clothes enhance your natural shape and make you look effortlessly stunning. Ill-fitting clothes, no matter how stylish, can detract from your overall appearance. When you choose clothes that flatter your figure, you not only look better, but you also send a message that you care about yourself and your appearance. It's not about following trends, it's about choosing pieces that make you feel good and look amazing. Men are attracted to women who are comfortable in their clothes, someone who looks put together without trying too hard. Tailored pieces are often associated with attention to detail and sophistication, making you stand out in the best possible way. 7. Subtle, effective makeup. Makeup can be a powerful tool to enhance your natural beauty, but it's all about balance. Men notice makeup that enhances your features rather than masks them. The key is subtlety, a little foundation to even out your skin tone, a touch of blush to add a healthy glow, and mascara to define your eyes can go a long way in making you look polished and radiant. The goal is to enhance what you already have, not to create a completely different look. Understated makeup conveys confidence. It shows that you know how to present yourself in a way that feels authentic and attractive. Too much makeup can be overwhelming and distracting. While the right amount can accentuate your best features and create a balanced, natural look, men are attracted to women who know how to use makeup to enhance their beauty without going overboard. Subtle makeup lets your natural features shine through, and that balance between enhancement and authenticity is what really makes you stand out. 8. A bright, genuine smile. A smile can light up your entire face, and nothing attracts a man faster than a woman with a warm, genuine smile. A bright, healthy smile can light up your entire face, and nothing attracts a man faster than a woman with a warm, genuine smile. A bright, healthy smile signals friendliness, warmth, and confidence, traits that are naturally appealing. When you smile, you appear more approachable and inviting, which can draw others to you. But it's not just about having perfectly straight teeth, it's about projecting a sense of positivity and openness. Men notice the little details in your smile, like whether your teeth are well cared for or if you're showing genuine emotion. An attractive smile doesn't have to be perfect, but it should be natural and warm. Keeping your teeth clean and your smile bright with a simple whitening routine can enhance your overall appearance. Men are instinctively attracted to women who appear happy, confident, and positive. And a smile is one of the easiest ways to convey these qualities. Your smile can make you seem more approachable and attractive without any effort on your part. 9. Well-groomed eyebrows. Eyebrows are one of the most important features of your face and can completely change your appearance. Men notice women with well-groomed eyebrows that complement their facial structure and add definition and balance to their face, whether you prefer bold, defined brows or a more natural shape. Keeping your eyebrows neat and shaped makes a big difference in your overall appearance. Balanced, symmetrical eyebrows help frame your eyes and draw attention to your face in a subtle yet powerful way. Regular grooming, such as trimming or filling in sparse areas, keeps your eyebrows looking polished and enhances your natural beauty. While men may not consciously focus on your eyebrows, they instinctively notice how well they fit into your overall appearance. Well-groomed eyebrows show that you pay attention to detail and take care of yourself, both of which are incredibly attractive qualities. 10. Color choices that enhance your complexion. The colors you wear can have a significant impact on how attractive you appear. Men notice when you choose colors that complement your skin tone and enhance your natural features. Warm tones like red coral and mustard can bring out the richness of warm skin tones, while cool tones like emerald green and navy are perfect for cooler complexions. When you choose colors that harmonize with your natural coloring, you immediately stand out in a subtle yet striking way. The right colors can make your eyes pop, brighten your complexion and bring out your best features. On the other hand, colors that clash with your skin tone can have the opposite effect, making you look washed out or less vibrant. By paying attention to the colors that work best with your complexion, you can effortlessly enhance your overall appearance and make a lasting impression. Men appreciate women who are confident in their color choices because it shows that they understand their own beauty and have a refined sense of style. 11. Healthy, manicured nails. Your nails and hands are just as important to your overall appearance as your face. Men notice when your nails are well groomed, whether you prefer a natural look or a pop of color. Trimmed, clean nails signal that you pay attention to detail and show a heightened sense of hygiene and self-respect. Even a neutral polish can make your hands look sleek and polished, while bright colors can add a fun, confident touch to your look. Regular maintenance, such as moisturizing your hands or getting a manicure, shows that you prioritize self-care. These little details often go unnoticed at first, but men subconsciously associate manicured nails with sophistication and confidence. Manicured nails enhance your appearance by adding an extra layer of polish to your overall look without going overboard. 12. Natural body language that complements your look. Your body language plays a huge role in how you're perceived. Men notice women who move with grace and confidence, adding an effortless elegance to their overall look. Small gestures such as a relaxed hand movement, a gentle sway when walking, or a calm, controlled posture complement your physical appearance and enhance your natural beauty, while stiff or awkward movements can take away from your allure. Men are instinctively drawn to women whose body language feels fluid and natural. The way you carry yourself, whether it's in a conversation or walking across the room, sends signals about your confidence and comfort in your own skin. When your body language matches your physical appearance, it creates a cohesive, attractive image. Men are attracted to women who exude natural confidence through their movements, and it's a quality that can set you apart from the crowd. 13. Accessories that subtly elevate your style. The right accessories can make all the difference when it comes to enhancing your look. Men notice women who carefully choose accessories that complement their outfits and add a touch of personality and sophistication. Whether it's a minimalist necklace, a stylish handbag or a classic watch, accessories can subtly enhance your overall look without stealing the spotlight. Accessories should feel like an extension of your personal style, not an afterthought. The key is balance, choosing pieces that complement your outfit rather than overpowering it. Well-chosen accessories convey a sense of style, attention to detail and individuality. Men are naturally drawn to women who can elevate their look with small, thoughtful touches, and accessories are the perfect way to do this. By adding a few carefully selected pieces to your wardrobe, you can effortlessly stand out and make a lasting impression. As always, thanks for watching and see you all next time.